Hi students, Namaskaram. Now we are discussing our 12th practical problem in the chapter Income from Salary. Mr. Rajan was appointed in a company of Chennai on the grade rupees 22,000, rupees 400, rupees 30,000 since 1st January 2017. He receives 50% dearness allowance. Besides this, he is getting rupees 15,000 per month as entertainment allowance. In terms of service, he is required to entertain the clients of the company. He receives also house rent allowance rupees 3,200 per month. He has been taken a flat at the rent of rupees 8,000 per month. The company provided him a sweeper, cook and a gardener and paid those rupees 200 per month each. He has been provided 2 motor cars. One of these is large and another small. The cars are used for personal use also. The company bears the expense for official use. The cost of large car is rupees 6 lakh and of small rupees 3 lakh. The expenses related to the cars are rupees 80,000 and rupees 60,000 respectively. The employer and the employee each contributed 8.33% of salary and dearness allowance to recognized reporting fund. Computing his income from salary for the assessment year 2021-22, assuming that salary is due at the end of each month. The company entered into an agreement with him to pay tax-free salary, so that company has paid rupees 50,000 as income tax payable by him. This is the question, and now we are entering into its solution, computation of income from salary. Mr. Rajan was appointed in a company of Chennai. The place of job is Chennai on the grade rupees 22,000, 400, 30,000 since 1st January 2017. This rupees 22,000-400-30,000 is scale of pay, salary grade, and this 22,000 is his starting salary on 1st January 2017. Annual increment being rupees 400. And the maximum salary in this scale is rupees 30,000. 1/1/2017 ഇദ്ദേഹം ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നു. അപ്പോഴത്തെ അടിസ്ഥാന ശമ്പളം സ്റ്റാർട്ടിംഗ് സാലറി rupees 22,000. ഓരോ വർഷവും 400 വെച്ച് വാർഷിക ഇൻക്രിമെന്റ് ലഭിക്കുന്നു. ഇത്തരത്തിൽ ഈ സ്കെയിൽ പ്രകാരം മാക്സിമം കിട്ടാവുന്ന സാലറി rupees 30,000. Now we are entering to the computation of salary, basic salary for the previous year 2020-21. On 1st January 2017, on the date of joining, his salary was rupees 22,000 and it was increased by rupees 400. On 1st January 2018, it was rupees 22,400. 22,000 plus annual increment 400. On 1st January 2019, 22,800 salary increased by rupees 400. On 2020 January 1, it was rupees 23,200. 22,800 plus annual increment 400. On 1st January 2021, the salary was 23,600. We know our previous year is 2020-21. Our previous year begins on 1st April 2020 ends with 31st March 2021. നമുക്കറിയാം നമ്മുടെ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ 2020-21 ആണ്. 2020 ഏപ്രിൽ 1 ആരംഭിക്കുന്നു. 2021 31st മാർച്ചിൽ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. 2020-21 എന്ന വർഷത്തിലെ സാലറി 23,200 23,600 ആണ്. At the end of the problem we are given salary becomes due at the end of each month. ഓരോ മാസത്തെയും സാലറി അതാത് മാസം അവസാനം ഡ്യൂ ആകും. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ അതാത് മാസത്തെ സാലറി അതാത് മാസം ലഭിക്കുന്നു. 2020 ഏപ്രിലിൽ നമ്മുടെ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ആരംഭിക്കുന്നു. ഏപ്രിൽ, മെയ്, ജൂൺ, ജൂലൈ, ഓഗസ്റ്റ്, സെപ്റ്റംബർ, ഒക്ടോബർ, November, December. 9 മാസം. Salary for these 9 months being 23,200 per month. That is 23,200 into 9, 2,08,800. From January 2021 onwards, salary increased to 23,600. Therefore, for the months of January, February and March, for 3 months, January, February and March of 2021, for 3 months, 23,600 into 3, 70,800. 2020 സാലറി 23,200. 2020 9 മാസം ഏപ്രിൽ തുടങ്ങി ഡിസംബർ വരെ 9 മാസം 23,200 രൂപ വീതം 2,08,800. 2021 സാലറി 23,600. 2021 ജാനുവരി ഫെബ്രുവരി മാർച്ച് 3 മാസം 23,600 വീതം 3 മാസം 70,800. Therefore, total basic salary 2,79,600. It is our basic salary, fully taxable. He receives 50% dearness allowance. That is, he receives 50% of the basic salary as dearness allowance. DA, basic salary 2,79,600 into 50%. That is 1,39,800. Dearness allowance 1,39,800. At the end of the problem, we are given the employer and employee each contributed 8.33% of salary and dearness allowance to recognized provident fund. From this paragraph, we can say for the computation of the contribution of recognized provident fund, we take dearness allowance. Therefore, dearness allowance is forming part of salary. Provident fund ന്റെ കോൺട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി സാലറിയുടെ കൂടെ ഡിയർനെസ് അലവൻസ് എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഡിയർനെസ് അലവൻസ് ഫോമിംഗ് പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് സാലറി ആണ്. DA is forming part of salary. He is getting rupees 15,000 per month as entertainment allowance. We know entertainment allowance is fully taxable. 15,000 per month, that is rupees 1,80,000. He receives also house rent allowance rupees 3,200 per month. It is partially exempt allowances. Put the figure in the inner column. 3,200 into 12, 38,400. Less exemption under section 10(13)(a). We get exemption in respect of house rent allowance under section 10(13)(a). We are given HRA received rupees 3,200 per month. He has been taken a flat at the rent of rupees 8,000 per month. That is, rent paid rupees 8,000 per month. And at the beginning of the problem, we are given he lives in Chennai. 3 points to be noted. HRA received rupees 3,200 per month, rent paid rupees 8,000 per month, and he lives in Chennai. We are entering into the computation of exempted HRA. First, compute salary for HRA. It includes 3 items. First, basic salary. Second, DA forming part of salary. Third, commission on turnover. Our basic salary being rupees 2,79,600. In this problem, there is DA and it is forming part of salary 1,39,800. There is no commission on turnover. Add these 2 items, we get rupees 4,19,400. It is the salary for HRA. 4,19,400. Under section 10(13)(a), there are 3 points. First point, actual HRA received. It is rupees 3,200 per month, 38,400. Second point, rent paid minus 10% salary. Rent paid 8,000 per month minus 10% salary. 96,000 minus 41,940. That is 54,060. He lives in Chennai. Therefore, third point, 50% of salary. 4,19,400 into 50%, 2,09,700. Now we have 3 figures. First point 38,400, second point 56,060, third point 2,09,700. Among these, the least figure rupees 38,400 is exempted from tax. Therefore, taxable HRA received 38,400 less exemption 38,400, taxable HRI nil. The company provided him a sweeper, cook and a gardener and paid those rupees 200 per month. If the employer provides the facility of sweeper, cook, watchman, gardener, servant, etc., the amount paid by the employer is fully taxable. Sweeper 212, 2,400, cook 200 per month, 2,400, and gardener 2,000 per month, 2,400. He has been provided 2 cars. One of these is large and another is small. The cars are used in personal use also. The company bears the expense of official use. The cost of the car is rupees 6 lakh and of small car rupees 3 lakh. The expense related to the cars are rupees 80,000 and rupees 60,000 respectively. Here, the employee is provided with more than one car, that is 2 cars. If the employer provides more than one car, any one of the car at the option of the employee can be treated as car which is used for official and personal purpose, and the value of such a car is to be computed as it is used for official and personal purpose. And the other car is to be valued at as it is used only for personal purpose. എംപ്ലോയിക്ക് ഒന്നിലധികം കാറുകൾ കൊടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു കാർ ഒഫീഷ്യൽ ആൻഡ് പേഴ്സണൽ പർപ്പസിന് ഉപയോഗിച്ചു എന്ന രീതിയിൽ അസസ് ചെയ്യണം. മറ്റു കാറുകൾ പേഴ്സണൽ പർപ്പസിന് വേണ്ടി മാത്രം ഉപയോഗിച്ചു എന്ന രീതിയിൽ അസസ് ചെയ്യണം. ഒന്നിലധികം കാറുകൾ കൊടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു കാറ് ഒഫീഷ്യൽ ആൻഡ് പേഴ്സണൽ പർപ്പസിന് ഉപയോഗിച്ചു ആ രീതിയിൽ വാല്യൂ ചെയ്യുക. മറ്റു കാറുകള് പേഴ്സണൽ പർപ്പസിന് വേണ്ടി മാത്രം ഉപയോഗിച്ചു എന്ന രീതിയിൽ വാല്യൂ ചെയ്യുക. ഇവിടെ ടാക്സ് റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി നാം ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് വലിയ കാറ്, കൂടുതൽ ചെലവുള്ള വലിയ കാറ് ഒഫീഷ്യൽ ആൻഡ് പേഴ്സണൽ പർപ്പസിന് വേണ്ടി ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന രീതിയിലും മറ്റു കാറുകള് പേഴ്സണൽ പർപ്പസിന് വേണ്ടി ഉപയോഗിച്ച രീതിയിലും ടാക്സ് അടയ്ക്കേണ്ടതാണ്. Now we are treat the first car, large car is used both for official and personal purpose. വലിയ കാറ് ഒഫീഷ്യൽ ആൻഡ് പേഴ്സണൽ പർപ്പസിന് വേണ്ടി ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന രീതിയിൽ അസസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ആൻഡ് സ്മോൾ കാർ only for personal use. Value of large car, it is used both for official and personal purpose. It is large car. The running and maintenance for official use met by the employer and personal use met by employee. ഈ കാറിന്റെ ഒഫീഷ്യൽ യൂസ് ചെലവ് എംപ്ലോയറും പേഴ്സണൽ യൂസ് ചെലവ് എംപ്ലോയി വഹിക്കുന്നു. Value of car being rupees 900 per month. For large car, value 900 per month, rupees 10,800. And a small car, treated it as used only for personal purpose. Small car personal purpose ന് മാത്രം ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന രീതിയിൽ അസസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. If the car used only for personal purpose, the value being actual running and maintenance expense met by the employer during the previous year in respect of the car. Actual expenses met by the employer in respect of this car during the previous year, plus 10% of the original cost of the car as depreciation, plus driver salary, if any, met by the employer. By adding these 3 items, we get the value of the car used only for personal purpose. കാർ പേഴ്സണൽ പർപ്പസിന് മാത്രം ഉപയോഗിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 3 കാര്യങ്ങൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ഈ കാറിന് വേണ്ടി എംപ്ലോയർ വഹിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന തുക, പ്ലസ് 10% original cost of the car as a depreciation, plus driver salary. Here in this problem, we are given depreciation. Original cost of the small car 3 lakh into 10%, 30,000. Actual amount met to the employer, we are given rupees 60,000. And in this problem, there is no driver salary. Therefore, 30,000 plus 60,000, 90,000. Value of large car being rupees 10,800 and small car rupees 90,000, add we get rupees 1,08,000. It is the value of 2 cars, 1,08,000. Car rupees 1,08,000. The employer and employee each contributed 8.33% of salary and dearness allowance to recognize report fund. We know employee's contribution is an investment, is not to be taken for the computation of salary income, and employee's contribution to recognize report fund is an income and it is exempt up to 12% salary. Here it is only 8.33%, therefore it is not taxable. The company entered an agreement with him to pay tax-free salary. Therefore, the company paid rupees 50,000 as income tax in respect of employee. എംപ്ലോയിക്ക് വേണ്ടി 50,000 രൂപ ഇൻകം ടാക്സ് എംപ്ലോയർ അടയ്ക്കുന്നു. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫുള്ളി ടാക്സബിൾ. എംപ്ലോയിയുടെ ഒബ്ലിഗേഷൻ എംപ്ലോയർ അടയ്ക്കുന്നു, ഫുള്ളി ടാക്സബിൾ ആണ്. Income tax paid with employer rupees 50,000. At the amount column we get 7,57,400. It is the gross salary less deductions under section 16. Standard issue rupees 50,000. Now we get rupees 7,07,400. It is the income from salary. Our answer: computation of income from salary. Basic salary 2,79,600. Dearness allowance 1,39,800. Entertainment allowance 1,80,000. HRA nil. Sweeper 2,400. Cook 2,400. Gardener 2,400. Car perquisite 1,800. Employees contribution RPF in excess of 12% salary nil. Income tax paid with employer rupees 50,000. Then our gross salary 7,57,400. Less deductions under section 16. Standard deduction rupees 50,000. Our income for salary rupees 7,07,400. So thank you.